We have another big machine arriving today. A digger! Actually, it's a Bobcat slash excavator. I don't really know what the proper term is called, but they're gonna be digging some dirt today. A lot of dirt. Let's see. There it goes. Oh, that part came out. Oh.
I just want to point out that my fence is still holding up that dirt. Yay!
Going over the trench. It's 5 minutes after he got here, and the excavator is already digging dirt. That would have taken me maybe about an hour to move that much dirt. And concrete.
As he was digging, he kept on pulling up all these gigantic pieces of concrete, just like buried in our backyard. Where'd it come from?
And just like that, about 2 hours later, he's done. Bye, Sal. He basically did in 2.5 hours what would have taken me probably 2 weeks to do. Like working every single day for 8 hours.
I thought I had a giant mound of dirt before.
That's a lot of dirt.
What did we learn today? If you need to dig more than a foot or so into the earth for an area of 200 square feet plus, I would highly recommend getting a Bobcat to do it for you. It cost me $800. It would have cost me 3 or 4 times that, maybe even more, to have guys come out and hand dig that much dirt. Not to mention all the concrete the Bobcat had to go through. I don't even know if guys could hand move that concrete. They'd have to somehow jackhammer it. A Bobcat can do a lot more than what human hands can do. So take advantage of those Bobcat hands, or Bobcat claw. That's the digger thing.